All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and schedule a post in your social planner. So, but first, let's go to marketing. Now, in our social planner, this is where you find your post. That is, if you have already created and posted some content, this is where you find all your posts. This is the list view. You will see it in the list view. You can see it says list, it's on list view, and you can also view it in the calendar view. This is the calendar view. Here you can also see your posts by the dates when you posted it. So this is the calendar view and this is the list view. So let's click on new post. This is where you click to start creating your post. So here first thing to do is to select the social media account where you want to post your content. So I'm going to check the Facebook and Instagram. So here now, this is where you write your post. Okay, this is where you preview your post. You can see post preview. This is where you preview your post. And if you want to preview it singular, if you want to preview only Facebook, you can just click on Facebook here and you can only see the preview of Facebook. This is how you see how it will look, how your post will look on your Facebook. And if you want to check for Instagram, you click on Instagram and you will see how it will look on your Instagram. And if you want to see the both of them all together, click on here and you see the Facebook and you see the Instagram. So this is where you write your post. And if you want to customize your post, like here it says customize for each channel, like you want to customize for your post for the different, like you want it to look in a different way. You are creating a post and you don't want it to the way it will look on Facebook, you don't want it to look that same way on your Instagram, and you can click here to customize each. Then this is for Facebook. You can, write it the way you want it to look on Facebook. When you are done, and click on the Instagram and also customize it the way you want it to look on your Instagram. So let's uncheck this. Okay, here this is where you bold your text, you make it italics, and you can also create your post with AI here. And this is where you add your emoji. You click to add your emoji. You click here to add your image. You can see create image using AI, upload from media library. So your media library is here. This is where you come to upload all your media files, your videos, your images. So you can also click here to take you to your media library. Once you can see it, media storage. So this is where you click to add your videos. This is where you click to add your hashtags. You can see select saved hashtag. That is if you already saved some hashtags here. You can enter your hashtag name, you add hashtag. So once you are done, you save and apply. Now this is where you click to, maybe you want to tag something like your account. You can see full name, full address. You can see right now, like you want to add time, you know, date, year, month, any of these things. So here, this is where you click to insert your. This is where you click to insert your link. You have a link that you want to add to your post. You want to attach a link to your post. You click here to attach a link to your post. So you just paste the URL link, and if you want to give the link a name, then you do it here. Also, just add the name that you want the link to carry. Maybe you want to say click here, something like that, and you post your link here and you generate the link. So that's how you do it from here. And also location, you want to add a location, you want to search for location, you can see target location. This is where you do it for Instagram, for Facebook, for any of the social medias. Then you do it there from there. And you want to also add a follow-up comment where you create your comment also. You come down here, Then you select a category. That's if you have a category that you can add, create a category here from here. So then the next thing is when creating a post, you can choose to make your post a feed. You can choose to make it a reel. Let's say you want to your post, the post you are creating, you want to make it a Facebook reel. Let's say you are adding a video to your post. Let's say you want to make it a Facebook reel, or you want to make it a Facebook story. So yeah, this is it. If you want to make your Facebook post a feed, you can make it a feed. And if you want to make it a reel, you can click here and you can see the preview here. That is in case if you are adding a video to your post. And if you want to also make it a Facebook story, you can click here and add your content above here, and you can preview it from here also. The same thing with the Instagram. You want to make it an Instagram reel, an Instagram story. So you can see all of it from here. So and you can also invite collaborators. So I'm going to add a few posts that I created, a few content that um, I created. So just to show you how it works, I'll also show you how to schedule it if you don't want to post it immediately. So I'm going to copy the post and paste it right here. Okay, let me post my content. So this is it. You can see how it will look on Facebook. You can see preview. So now I'm going to click to add my image, upload from library. So you can see I've this is where I create the post, this is where I write my post, or you can copy and paste your post here. Uh, you can preview it from here. Okay, so let's check for Instagram. This is how it's going to look on Instagram. So yeah, that's how to do it. And you can come here and say if you want to post it, you can post now, you can schedule the post, you can send post for approval. That is if you have a team leader that you are working under, or you have a manager that needs to approve your post before you post it, you can send for approval here. And if you want the post to be a recurring post, you want it to be posting itself, like say every day, like every week, once in every week, every Tuesday, something like that. So I would say schedule post. Then I'll choose when I want the post you know to be published. So this is today is 12th. Let me say I want this post to go on 13th. I'll come here and choose the time 13th. If I want it to be on the in the morning AM by let's say 10 a.m. and seconds. Can see my time zone. So I'll schedule the post. Can see. So this is it. Scheduled. You can see the post. You can see the image that I added. You can see the status is scheduled. You can see the type, post composer, and everything. So and it's going to be on Facebook and Instagram. So let me okay, and here also you can upload a post from CSV. I'm going to show you that one and explain it in another video. Then you can also choose to, select from a social planner template. You can, generate from AI and also RSS post. So let's select for, let me say, I want to post on LinkedIn. Okay, let me show you about the TikTok. So the TikTok, TikTok does not support like image, posting of image, or let me say, write up. It's TikTok only supports video content, so you can only post video content on TikTok. So that's how it works here. And also you can choose if who who you want to. You can choose who will view your post. If you want everyone to view your post, if you want it to be only your friends, and if you want it to be only you. So you can choose who views your post. So I'm going to create a LinkedIn post. I'm going to copy and paste the LinkedIn post. So let me check this. So this is my LinkedIn post. You can see this is how it's going to look on my LinkedIn profile. So, and I can save this for later. If I don't want to post it now, I can save it for later. Later I'll come back and post it. Then I can post it now. So it's going to post now. You can see post created successfully. So I just posted on my LinkedIn right now. So here you can see your post. You can see the post the one I scheduled for Facebook and Instagram. You can see it's scheduled. It's going to be posted on June 13th, 2025 by 10 a.m. And this one just published. You can see it's published. And if you want to view this in a calendar view, just click on it and you see it. You can see the two of them, the one that I posted now and the one that will be posted tomorrow, the one that is scheduled. So let's say you have up to a week post, like you have a post that you wanted to be posting every day for 1 week or for 2 weeks. You can still do it that way. Just, you know, just get all your content, all your posts ready. And once you get all your posts ready, you can now, create your post here, add your content here, and come here and schedule your post. Schedule all your posts and relax, and everything will be posted when you want it to be posted. So that is it. I'll show you how to, you know, how to upload a CSV post to your social planner.